Good morning, students. Welcome back to online learning. Students, first you take out your book, Social Studies book, page number 82. That is 4.4 in the Southern Plateau. Some topics that we have already discussed in our previous online classes, that is, the Southern Plateau covers most of the central and southern India. The river Narmada separates it from the rest of India, and it covers the major parts. Maharashtra we have already discussed. Next, Karnataka we have already discussed. Now our today's topic is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. Look at your book, page number 83. Tamil Nadu lies to the south of Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Its capital is Chennai. Its capital is Chennai. The Kaveri is the largest river of Tamil Nadu. Farming is the main occupation. People grow cotton, sugarcane, and groundnut. In the hills of Nilgiris, coffee and tea are grown. The main food of people is rice, sambar, rasam, and curd. Their popular dishes are dosa, idli, uttapam, and upma, which are liked all over India. The state is known for its handloom, khadi, leather, and silk industry. The silk sarees of Kanchipuram are liked all over India. Tamils are very fond of music and classical dances. The most popular dance form is Bharatnatyam. Their major festival is Pongal. They speak Tamil, which is one of the oldest languages of the country. Tamil Nadu is known for its famous temples. The Meenakshi temple of Madurai is very famous. Ooty is a well-known hill station of Tamil Nadu. See here, students. Tamil Nadu lies to the south of Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. And what is the capital of Tamil Nadu? The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Dash is the largest river of Tamil Nadu. Kaveri is the largest river of Tamil Nadu. Main occupation. The main occupation of Tamil Nadu is farming. People grow cotton, sugarcane, and groundnut. In the hills of Nilgiris, coffee and tea are grown. The main food of people is rice, sambar, rasam, and curd. And what are their popular dishes? The popular dishes are dosa, idli, uttapam, and upma. The silk sarees of Kanchipuram are liked all over India. Tamils are very fond of music and classical dances. The most popular folk dance is Bharatnatyam. What is the most popular folk dance? The most popular folk dance is Bharatnatyam. Their major festival is Pongal. They speak Tamil, which is one of the oldest language of the country. Tamil Nadu is known for its famous temples. The Meenakshi temple of Madurai is very famous. Ooty is a well-known hill station of Tamil Nadu. Yes, Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is famous for its temple, that is Nataraj temple, Rameshwaram temple are famous temples. Idli, dosa, sambar, rasam, upma are popular dishes of Tamil Nadu. Pongal is the main festival of this state. Tamil is the main language and Bharatnatyam is most famous classical dance. Kanjivaram is famous for silk sarees. Ooty and Marina Beach are famous tourist places here. Next, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Andhra Pradesh lies to the north of Tamil Nadu and to the east of Karnataka. Its capital is Hyderabad. The Charminar, the Salar Jung Museum, and the Golconda Fort of Hyderabad are worth seeing. The city is known for its bangles and pure jewellery. See here, Andhra Pradesh lies to the north of Tamil Nadu and to the east of Karnataka. And what is the capital of Tamil Nadu? The capital of Tamil Nadu is Hyderabad. The Charminar, the Salarjung Museum, and the Golconda Fort of Hyderabad are worth seeing. The city is known for its bangles and pearl jewellery. Next, turn your page number 84. Here, farming is the main occupation of the people here. Here, the main occupation of the people is farming. They grow tobacco, rice, sugarcane, and millets. Andhra Pradesh is the largest producer of tobacco in India. Andhra Pradesh is known for its Bidri art. It is the art of engraving on metal like brass and copper. The Kalamkari art of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana is also very popular. It is the art of making beautiful color designs on cloth. The colors are made from the bark and leaves of trees. Telugu is the main language of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. What is the main language of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana? Telugu. In some parts of the state, Urdu is also spoken. The people are very fond of dance and music. Their most popular dance is Kuchipudi. The most famous place of pilgrimage in Andhra Pradesh is Tirupati. Millions of people visit it from all parts of the country. The Kalamkari art of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana is also very popular. See here, Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Rice, sugarcane, groundnut, tobacco are main crops here. Telangana is famous for handicraft, bedri work on brass and copper, etc. And Kalamkari art on clothes are very beautiful. Telugu is the main language and Kuchipudi is the famous folk dance. Hyderabad is famous for Charminar and Salarjung Museum. Famous pilgrim center is Tirupati Temple. Next, the Chhattisgarh Basin. The upper basin of the Mahanadi River is known as the Chhattisgarh Basin. It includes eastern Madhya Pradesh and upper Odisha. Raipur and Bilaspur are the two important cities of this basin. It is a very fertile region. The main crops here are rice, linseed, betel vines, and watermelons are grown on sandy beds along the river. There are some coal mines also in this region. The people of this basin love dancing and singing. See here, it includes eastern Madhya Pradesh. Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is in the center of India. Hindi is the main language. The Sachi Stupa, Khajuraho Temple, Kanha National Park are the main tourist attraction. Wheat, jowar, bajra, pearls, oilseeds are main crops grown in this state. Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand are tribal states. Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh and Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. Here it is a very fertile region. The main crops grown here are rice and linseed. The people of this basin love dancing and singing. Next students, here are some points given here in your book, points to remember. The southern plateau includes major parts of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, eastern Madhya Pradesh and upper Odisha. Second, the main crops of Madhya Pradesh are jowar, bajra, cotton, groundnuts and sugarcane. The language spoken here is Marathi. The main crops of Karnataka are ragi, jowar, cotton, and sugarcane. The language spoken is Kannada. The main crops of Tamil Nadu are rice, cotton, sugarcane, tea, and coffee. The language spoken here is Tamil. The main crops of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana are rice, jowar, sugarcane, and tobacco. The languages spoken here are Telugu and Urdu. The Chhattisgarh basin has some coal mines. The main crops grown in this region are rice, linseed, betel mines, and watermelons. Thank you, students. I hope you all understood this lesson.